friends, Namaste. Today I want to introduce Astaberry Gold Glam Facial Kit. This is an advanced 9-step facial that gives long-lasting glow and brightness. With active ingredients like 24-karat gold, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and natural oils and extracts. First, cleansing the face with wet cotton. Step 1. Apply Gold Glam Deep Cleanser on face. Ensure your hands are clean so you don't transfer bacteria to clean skin. Massage 2 to 3 minutes with circular movements with light hand. It is sulfate-free cleanser to give deep cleaning effect. Step 2. Apply the Gold Glam Clarifying Toner on face. Give light hand patting. Step 3. Apply the Gold Glam Scrub to cream and massage it. Gently scrub in circular movements for about 3 minutes. Natural scrub gently exfoliates the skin and doesn't feel harsh on skin. Step 4. Without removing the scrub, add Gold Glam Active Serum on face and massage it for 15 to 20 minutes with light pressure point. Scrub particles will melt into the skin and turn in rich cream. Massage it till cream is absorbed in the skin. Step 5. Apply Gold Glam Massage Gel on face. Massage it and let the gel absorb on skin. Apply the Gold Glam Toner on full face and let the toner absorb in skin. Hydrating toner which balances the skin pH and soothes the skin. Step 6 and 7. Mix Gold Glam Peel Off Mask Phase 1 and Phase 2 together to make paste and apply a thick layer quickly on full face, including the eyes. This peel-off mask has natural extract which cools and lightens the skin. Peel off when dry. Step 8. Apply the Gold Glam Glow Mask on full face. It reduces spot and blemishes and evens out the skin. After 7 to 8 minutes, wipe off with wet cotton. Step 9. Finally, apply Gold Glam Brightening Serum Gel on full face for glow and sun protection. Gold Glam gives lasting glow visible on client's face.